Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be sharing my meal planning, prepping. I'm going to go Aldi, get all the stuff that I need to make the food that I'm going to be making. I have already written a little bit of a meal plan, which is just brunch and dinner. I have just picked out some easy meals which I got from my book, which I used to lose weight literally like a year. This was the 3rd of February 2020, so this is when I was losing weight, and I literally filled in every single day for a few months, and it's got all the things I used to eat and like my brunch and my dinner. I only have 2 meals a day when I'm trying to lose weight, so I have only written down brunch and dinner. My plan is to get the things on here which I can kind of make with the same kind of ingredients, and it's not going to be too much to buy, it's not going to take me too long, it's just going to be simple easy meals. So exciting, I'm going to be losing weight. I have put on 1 whole stone 1 stone in the last year, and let's just say that I'm not happy about it. So I have weighed myself on my scales. It basically tracks it on my phone, and I'm going to be sharing my journey with you. I'm going to be uploading videos similar to this, maybe like cooking videos, sharing my recipe kind of videos, and I'll just take you along on my journey of my weight loss, because I know a lot of you guys want help with weight loss. So I'm going to be telling you what I'm doing and all that kind of thing. So just stay tuned, watch all my videos, because it'll probably be like parts in my vlogs as well. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and visit my website, because there'll be like blog posts and loads of content relating to my weight loss journey. So as I said, I've written down all of these things. This is my meal plan. I'm not going to put a specific day to a specific meal, it's just going to be this list, and it's things that I can make with the same kind of ingredients. So I've got veggies, eggs and bagels for brunch. I've got a green smoothie, which is like when I'm not starving, I'll just have like a green smoothie, which is frozen from Aldi. It's simple. I've got a Greek style yogurt, granola and fruit, which is like simple ingredients. Fruit I can also have with my coconut porridge, mushroom omelette, so that with the veggies is like veggies. I'm going to put some mushrooms in my veggies, so I can buy that and make that at the same time, and then I can freeze it, put it in the air fryer, that kind of thing. I've got a full egg and toast. What else have I got in here? That's it really. So I've just kept the breakfast stuff, brunch stuff really simple. Then for dinner I've got recipes that are fairly easy to make but are very nutritious. So I've got like Brazilian chicken, which you can have with rice, you can have with vegetables. I put red peppers in mine. I've also got chicken steak, which I have with a bunch of vegetables, and then sometimes I add like some sweet potatoes if I feel like it. I've got Moroccan chicken steaks, which is a new recipe which I tried out last week, which I'm going to film for you, and I'm going to upload that on my channel. I've got keema, spinach, red peppers. It's just a curry with loads of spinach and loads of red peppers. You can add any kind of vegetables you want to that, and it's just like a lot of nutrition in that. I'll have that with chapatis or maybe rice, depending on what I feel like that day, whatever's easiest. And then I've got cheat roast dinner, which is basically chicken steaks. A lot of the food that I have when I'm losing weight is chicken steaks, because they're so easy, so quick, and they're like fairly healthy, not many calories. I always ask the butcher to cut my steaks really thin so that it goes further, like I feel like I'm eating more, and they cook quicker. And then I have chicken fajitas. It's like a more of a comfort meal, kind of like, you know, you can add loads of veggies, have it with sweet potato fries. I've got green rice and salmon. This is one of my favorite things. The green rice has green pepper, it's got coriander, parsley, garlic stock in there to make it green, and then you've got the salmon, which you can pan fry, air fry, oven cook, whatever. You do whatever you like with it. And then I've got meat curry and chapatis, which is simple. Like, I've got easy meals on there. I can add loads more to this, but I'm going to keep it as simple as possible and just kind of stick with these ones for now. So I have written a shopping list, which I'm going to go and get the stuff. I think I need to add some more stuff to this shopping list though, because I didn't finish it off. So I'm going to just go through this list and write down anything that I need to add. So let me do that right now. Okay, I think I have my shopping list kind of sorted. Yes, I'm doing it old school today. Normally I use my Alexa on my phone and kind of add things as I'm going, but because I'm doing like a food plan one, I'm going to just write it on a list because it's just easier. Also, I'm going to take a pen with me and cross everything off because it just makes more sense in my head. Anyway, yeah, so I have actually got a meeting in about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna hope I have time to go to Aldi before the kids finish school today. But when I get back from Aldi, I will do a haul. So just got back from Aldi, literally have 5 minutes to put away my shopping before I have to go and get the kids. So I'm going to do a quick haul. I got some jalapeno chili, mixed chilies. I got some parsley, tender stem broccoli. I got some peppers. I got some bananas, some apples, spinach, potatoes, sweet potatoes, a watermelon. Frozen stuff, I got some Yorkshire puddings. These are so good, these big massive ones. I got 2 packets of these mini ice creams kids love. I got some salmon, milk, yogurts for Elisa, yogurts for Isa. I got some Coke. I got some oat milk. I'm going to try having oat milk because apparently it's healthier than cow's milk. So I'm going to try it. I also got, this is the last bag, I got some Greek style yogurt. I got some eggs. I got some raisins. I got some breakfast for the kids, these pain au chocolat. I got some strawberries, some raspberries, some mushrooms, some grapes, some mini wraps. I got some garlic, and the last 2 things that I picked up were char-grilled peppers and some stuffed olives. So that's everything that I got from Aldi. This was quite a big shop for me. Like, normally I don't get this much stuff, but I just wanted to get everything so that I have things to cook, do you know? So anyway, I'm gonna put this away and then go and get the kids real quick. So this video is a little bit all over the place. I do apologise for that, but I'm going to show you a recipe which is my go-to kind of every single time I don't know what to have, I will have this. It is the most simple thing in the world, but this is how you do it. So to make this brunch, all you need is some fat-free Greek style yogurt. I use 3 heaped tablespoons of this, and then I use some scales to measure my granola so I don't put too much in. So I use about 40 grams, and then I'll add about half a teaspoon of chia seeds, and then a big bunch of raspberries, and then a nice big squeeze of honey because it just tastes so good. And that is it done, and it is so delicious and so filling. So I'm having my first meal of the day. It's actually after the kids' school time now. They've finished school. They are sitting in the living room watching some TV while I eat this, and they're having a croissant. I'm having this, which is just Greek style yogurt, granola, chia seeds, yogurt, did I say that, honey and raspberries. So delicious. This is like, I think I'm gonna estimate this is like 300-ish calories, which is decent for a first meal, and it fills me up. So I'm going to eat this. I've got kickboxing in a bit, like 3 hours, but I'm just gonna sort things out here, get the kids ready to go to their dad's, and then I realised that I'm having a burger today because Mondays are my burger days. So it is actually another day and I am now making another recipe, which is one of my kind of go-to recipes. I don't always use mushrooms and onions in this recipe. I use like peppers, tomatoes, anything that I feel like, or anything that I've got in my fridge, I will use it in the omelette. But it's so simple, it doesn't take very long, and it's just a very kind of healthy, quick breakfast when you want something warm. So this is how you make my mushroom onion omelette wrap thing. So I'm going to show you how to make that now. I'm going to be showing you my super easy mushroom omelette, and I'm literally making this up as I go along, but it's going to be a healthy recipe. It's going to be like 200 calories ish, roughly, maybe 300, but I don't know. I'm going to have it in a wrap like this. These are 91 calories per wrap, so I'm going to have my omelette on top of here and roll it up. But I'm going to make 1 egg, a little bit of mushroom, a little bit of onion, and salt, pepper, maybe a little bit of cheese if I want to like up the calories a little bit. But yeah, I'm just going to make it, show you how I do it, and then you guys can make it at home yourselves. I'm going to start by cutting up a little bit of onion, literally just like the smallest amount. I'm going to save the rest for another day, maybe tomorrow or something for dinner. But I'm going to cut it up into not too small chunks. I do like my onion a little bit chunky in my egg, so I'm just going to cut it up like this. I'm so lazy, so I buy ready cut mushrooms, but they're not small enough for me, so I like to cut them even smaller than this. So I'm going to take out a little handful of mushrooms. A handful, I don't measure, I just guess. And then I'm going to chop them up really small. Just randomly, I'm not being precise at all. And now I've moved over to my cooker, put the cooker on. I'm going to use my small frying pan. Just heat that up a little bit. I don't have much olive oil left anyway, but it's fine. We only need a tiny bit. So just literally like probably 1/4 of a teaspoon I've used there. And we're just gonna let that heat up for a couple of minutes. While we're waiting for that to heat up, I'm going to put 1 egg into my bowl. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I'm going to whisk that up until it's all combined together. I found that if you don't put your eggs in the fridge, it mixes together a lot easier. I don't know why, it's weird. But I never put my eggs in the fridge. Do you guys put your eggs in the fridge? I don't know, like it's one of those things that I don't know whether they should go in the fridge or not, but I don't put them in the fridge. Because in the supermarket, they're not in the fridge, so I just don't. I don't know. Tell me, what do you do that? Let me know in the comments. I'm grabbing my vegetables and I'm going to add them straight into the pan. Now that my vegetables are nice and brown, I'm going to add my egg and I'm just going to pour it around evenly. And I'm just going to let it cook. Sometimes you like move it around in that, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to move the vegetables around too much. So I'm just going to let it cook on one side, flip it over and see how it goes. Okay, now that it's cooked, I'm going to take it off the heat and turn this off. I'm going to transfer it to a plate and then I'm going to heat this up for a few seconds just on the pan because I don't like cold wraps in these. Ow, just put my finger. I like a warm wrap when I'm having this kind of food. I've put the wrap on top of the omelette and then I'm just going to flip it over. I'm going to add some cheese on top of here. Not a lot, just a little bit. That's enough. And then some sriracha. If you guys haven't had sriracha and egg before, what are you doing? It's so good. There we go. And that is my breakfast all done. So I'm just gonna literally fold it in half because it's easier than rolling it into a wrap and eat it like that. But yeah, this is my breakfast. It's probably, I would say, between 200 and 300 calories. With the cheese, maybe a little bit more than 300. I don't even know, but it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait to eat it. I'm going to enjoy this now. So yeah, that was that recipe. I hope you enjoyed the recipes in this video. These are like the easiest, most like my go-to recipes, which I love to use, and they're just so easy and simple. And I have quite a few of them. So if you guys want more recipe videos like this, let me know and I will try and do some more. Let me know what kind of recipes you'd like. If you'd like brunch ones or if you'd like dinner ones, then please let me know in the comments below. But that is going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go and follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of what I'm eating on Instagram, even though a lot of the time it's not very healthy, but I am trying my best to be good at the moment. So if you do want to find out what I'm eating in a day, or just like get some more ideas on, or if you just kind of just want to follow me on Instagram, that would be great. I'm also on TikTok a lot recently. I love TikTok. Also, I thought I would mention that I have a big massive sale on my website, so if you haven't checked it out already, from my Instagram, it went up literally like a Friday this week, probably yesterday from when you're watching this video. But if you haven't checked that out already, everything is reduced. Like, everything's so cheap right now, it is crazy. But I'm trying to kind of get rid of some of the stock that I have before I release my new collection. It would mean so much to me if you went and checked that out and made a purchase. 60% of the profits still are going to Palestine, so there's that as well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and inshallah I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.